What was college for? What did it do for you? Because this is assuming you went to college and assuming that you survived the revolution of college to your way of life. The assumption isn't fair because many people don't go to college. They don't make it. They don't make it because they don't want to, or they don't make it because they can't. Or eventually they might make it when they feel like it, but it's a different thing altogether. You've done your school. You've proved that you've got a certain amount of education. Now is your time to establish what exactly you can do. I take it, if you're looking at this, that you are ambitious. You want to achieve something. The thing about college, do we use it to improve ourselves or as a way to climb higher? I heard something last week which has shaken me to the core. In my time, trainees were paid a low amount of money and used or abused during their time of work and loaded with work. And it was, to a certain extent, almost an honour to get the position of trainee. And you didn't mind doing the work because you were learning. There's a new thing happening, and if you get involved, you have to prepare for it. A firm of chartered accountants told a trainee, if you wish to become a trainee, we will let you have the job if you pay us £5,000 for the position of trainee. Now, I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. There you are, going to a firm where you're going to end up with some sort of qualification. But there's a brand cost from day one. Not that you're going to get paid. We are now going back 100, 200 years in attitude. You want a career, you want something valuable, that now you must think, you must pay for it. How do you get out of this? How do you get around this new thing that's taking place? Now there are firms saying, if you want to join us as a trainee, you pay us £5,000 or £10,000 for the position. They have become aware, just as the accountants have become aware, that once you are qualified, once you've got that marvellous sign on you which says you are qualified, your income goes from X to 2X. And why should they give it away? The best jobs in the future will go to those willing, not just in terms of education proven they're useful for the job, but can they buy the traineeship? And that's the problem. What was college for? What did it do for you? This is a revolution. And how are you going to survive this new revolution? Thank you.